students, in this video we will learn how to send emails for effective communication and how to use the Webster directory to find the person's email address that you're looking for. As you know, Webster email is the only official means of communication here, and it's very important to keep all of your conversations within Webster emailing service. You will find your Webster email on your connections page on the home page here, or you can download the Microsoft Outlook app for your phone or your computer. As you go to your email, you will see all of your folders, inbox, sent items, drafts, and let's start a new message and see what are the key elements of a good email. First, of course, you need to enter the recipient's email address. If you do not know a certain person's email address, but you know their name, you can find this person from the built-in directory. For example, if you want to send an email to me, you only know my name, Madina Toshova, right? You can enter my name here, Madina, and it will give you different options of Madinas who are registered within Webster system. So here you choose me. Or if you want to send an email to your academic advisor, you only know their name, but you don't know their email address. For example, Saida Hojibekova. You write Saida, and you will see her email address. Just by easily clicking, you will be sending both to us emails. In the CC bar, you can put the name, an email address of a person that you would like to receive the copy of this email. Here, you need to add a subject. The subject of an email is a very important part. The subject gives the clue and the first message of your email to the recipient. It's very important to choose an appropriate subject to the problem or request that you are addressing to them. For example, problem with Canvas. This way, I will know that you are experiencing a problem with Canvas, and I will be able to support you in an appropriate manner. And here, in the body part, you need to fully explain the problem that you're having or the request you would like to ask for. Make sure that you include all the details so that the person doesn't have to send several emails to clarify. As you enter the body of your email, don't forget to put a signature. Always include your full name, as I have here, Madina Toshova, and here I have my staff position. In your case, you should include your group number and preferably your ID number if you are emailing your professor or a staff member. Only if you are emailing a professor or a staff member, you should include your ID number. Remember that your ID number is a confidential information and should not be shared with people outside of Webster staff or faculty. So you enter your full name, your group number, and after that, you can attach files or images if you would like to by simply clicking on this attach button. After you make sure that your email has an appropriate title, subject line, and fully explains the message you are going to deliver, and it has your full name and your group number, and if needed, your ID number, you can send this email out. I hope this short video was useful for you And next time when you are sending an email, you will make sure that it is effective.